Hello, today I'm going to show you this vehicle. It's a Forster Vibe Edition T745EF Motorhome. Sleeps 4 as far as I remember, and it costs €70,000. So first thing I noticed, door with a window and a bin, so that's a place you keep the dog's lead. Coming inside, we've got a face-to-face arrangement at the front here, so the seats under, forward facing seats under these seats here. We've got a bed which will drop down up there, and obviously the chairs at the front will turn round, which will be handy should you decide to watch the television which is there. Behind the television we've got the fridge, and of course we've got the kitchen here. We've got a sink here, we've got 2 burners here, and we've got some storage under the kitchen block itself. Coming to the back, you'll see we've got a very large bed here. There's also a piece to go here to make the bed even larger. There's the piece to go there, and it'll fit in this. When I pull this thing here out, that will fit in there. Under, we've got storage here. We've got storage on the other side. Note, you've also got a big storage thing at the back with shelves. No shelves or storage on the walls because we've got a window on either side. In here we've got this shower, which is, I think you'll agree, a very large shower. And on the other side there is a toilet with a sink, a mirror, a skylight here as well. I quite like this floor scheme down here. Now €70,000 is a lot of cash, but as far as motorhomes go, it's not a huge amount of money. So that's what it's selling itself on. It's a bit no thrills, this one, of course. Coming out, passing the mosquito net on the way, we've got here a very large garage as well. Look how big that is. That's absolutely enormous. 150 kilos of stuff you can get in there. You can easily get a few bikes in there, I'd imagine. Oh, it's a bit tight. And there's the rear. So I think an interesting vehicle for those not wanting to part with too much cash. Bear in mind, of course, if something's cheap, then there's a reason for it. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to take you into this vehicle as well to show you what it looks like is the queen bed version. As you can see, all of this, the front is exactly the same. What is not the same is the bed. So we've got a queen bed here, and this queen bed will go up or down depending on the position you want it in. If you don't mind, need more space in the garage, then you can put it up. If you don't need so much space in the garage, or you want the bed to be low, then it can go down low. But that is your choice. It's got a lot of space, I think, in this one as well, with the wardrobes on either side. So there you go, 2 versions of this van. Which do you prefer? Forster T745 EF Vibe Edition from Stuttgart, where I am right now. So anyway, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. So if you're interested in this type of thing, then you might want to see more of my videos. Incidentally, there is a description below also mentioning other vehicles which you might want to consider if you're thinking of buying something like this. For the moment, all the best. Bye for now.